Introducing the perfect gift, our beautifully handcrafted rosebear gift. We start with a sturdy rattan base. Next we add craft paper and a secure styrofoam foundation, using eco-friendly safe adhesive. Each flower is carefully placed by hand, creating a stunning and balanced arrangement. Then we bring it to life, securing the adorable bear to the flower bucket with durable nylon ties. A masterpiece of love, elegance, and craftsmanship. Every piece is carefully packaged, using sustainable eco-friendly materials ready for delivery. From our hands to yours, spreading smiles worldwide.